Well, hello Internet. So today I am going to briefly show you a thing that I've been working on. Um, so it's a basic pathfinding system. I thought it'll be a great project for a junior game developer to work on. I also know that Godot has its own pathfinding implementation, but to be honest, it didn't really fit my requirements. So I decided to spend 2 weeks to try to write out a simple pathfinding system that I can use for my game. So right now, to demonstrate how it works, I have a green box, a green sphere. A green sphere represents the starting point, the red sphere representing the endpoint. So the pathfinding will try to uh, draw a line which represents the path to the endpoint. Now the green thing here represents, um, well, just an obstacle. So let's let's try to see if it works. Um, Mind you, this is very alpha, so things can break during this demonstration. But yeah, let's give it a try. So since my character here has a collision, let me just try to walk right through the path and see what happens. Always trying to avoid it. Alright, that's cool. Alright, so the next thing I'm gonna do is try to alternate tab out of this game and just try to change the size of this box. Let me just move it down, maybe increase the thickness, make this longer. Alright, let's see what's happening in the game. So it has updated the path, and it now tries to go over the obstacle uh, to get to its endpoint. Right, that's pretty cool. Alright, so I wonder now if I try to cut a hole in between uh, this obstacle, and maybe it'll try to go through that path. I mean, I know that it will go through that path because I designed it to behave like this, but for the sake of demonstration, let's do that. So let's just restart real quick. Alright, now you can see it's going through it instead of going under or over it. That's pretty cool. Now let's say I have another obstacle here that blocks the view, uh, that blocks a path. So I'm gonna real quick add another CSG box. Now it may crash again, I don't know, um, but it's okay. It's okay. Things crash once in a while. It's a way of the world telling us that uh, we need to upgrade ourselves and start fixing bugs. Anyways, so now that I've covered it, maybe I'm gonna rotate it a little bit. Alright, that's cool. So let's see what happens. So it decides not to go through this hole instead and try to go to the bottom. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright. Now I want to try and see if let's say I had a few obstacles inside here, inside this hole. Let's try that. Block it here. Alright. Now we know that it's going to go through here, but I don't know how it's going to behave. So let's jump right into it. Oh, yes, it has stopped. So let me restart the game. Alright. Will it avoid the obstacles? Yes, it does. It actually does. I'm curious if this is wider. Will it try to navigate through it? So I'm going to make this a little bit wider. Let's see. It's still doing well. Let me go make it bigger again. I think it has stopped, so let me restart it. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It tries to go through it anyways, which is pretty awesome, I would say. Alright, so maybe try to make it shorter, move it to the middle. Nah, you can see it updated and it tries to go into yeah, that's nice, that's cool. And it's nice because it runs blazingly fast. And I wrote this script in GDScript the first round, and it took a long time, like 20 seconds to go through to try to find a path like this. 20 seconds. Alright. But I rewrote this in C++ using GD Native, and it was great. I can update this every single second and it won't cause lag. Of course, I've put it into a thread. It's multi-threading now, but all things considered, it's quite fast. Now, so the question now is, when I try to add all these boxes, you notice that my game has crashed. I guess the next task is to find out whether it has any relation to the plugin that I've developed. You see, it stopped again, right? Without me doing anything. So that's a problem. I think that for some reason, perhaps we are running out of memory or something. But as far as I'm concerned, the memory looks fine, to be honest. So I guess that wraps up everything I wanted to show. The conclusion is it works, but there is some quirks. Sometimes it crashes, which is not good. I need to figure out why. And yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you everyone for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and share this video if you find it interesting. Thank you. Bye bye.